Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the English Learning Channel, where learning English feels simple, comfortable, and real. I'm Mia.
And I'm Daniel. Hello, everyone. It's really nice to be here with you today.
Daniel, how are you feeling today?
Honestly, Mia, I feel a little nervous.
Nervous? That's interesting. Why do you feel nervous?
Because today we're talking about something that sounds very easy, but for many learners, it's actually very stressful.
Let me guess. Introducing yourself in English?
Exactly. Saying your name sounds simple, but when you meet someone new, your mind goes blank.
That happens to so many people. Your heart beats faster, your words disappear, and suddenly you forget your own name.
Yes, and you start thinking, what should I say first? Am I saying it correctly? Do I sound strange?
If you feel like this, you are not alone. This is one of the most common fears in speaking English.
That's why today is so important. We're going to practice real, natural introductions that people actually use.
No complicated grammar, no long speeches, just clear, friendly English you can use in daily life.
And we'll go slowly. You can listen, repeat, and imagine yourself in these situations.
Daniel, let's start with the most basic situation. You meet someone for the first time.
Okay, maybe at a class, a building, or a small event.
Exactly. You don't need anything fancy. You just need confidence and a smile.
So what do I say first?
The easiest and most natural start is very simple.
Hello.
Yes, just hello or hi.
That already feels easier.
Then you say your name.
So I say, hello, I'm Daniel.
Perfect. That's already a complete introduction.
Really? That's enough?
Yes, many learners think they need more, but this is already polite and natural.
That makes me feel calmer.
You can also say, hi, my name is Daniel.
Is there a difference?
My name is sounds slightly more formal. I'm sounds more casual. Both are correct.
So I can choose what feels comfortable.
Exactly. English is flexible.
But Mia, sometimes just saying your name feels a bit short.
That's true. If you want to sound warmer, you can add one small sentence.
Like what?
You can say, nice to meet you.
Ah, yes, I hear that a lot.
So together, it sounds like this. Hi, I'm Mia. Nice to meet you.
That sounds very friendly and natural.
It is, and people really like hearing it.
What if the other person says it first?
Then you can reply with, nice to meet you too.
Simple and polite.
Now, let's take it one step further.
Okay, I'm ready.
After your name, people often talk about where they're from.
Yes, that question comes very fast.
So you can add this sentence. I'm from...
I'm from India. I'm from Brazil. I'm from Italy.
Perfect. Very clear.
So a full introduction could be, hi, I'm Daniel. I'm from Brazil.
That's excellent.
And if I want to sound friendlier?
Then add, nice to meet you.
Hi, I'm Daniel. I'm from Brazil. Nice to meet you.
That sounds confident and natural.
Mia, what if I'm at work or in a professional place?
Good question. At work, you usually add what you do.
So I'd talk about my job.
Yes. For example, I work as a designer. I'm a student. I'm an engineer.
So I can say, hi, I'm Daniel. I'm a software developer.
Exactly.
That sounds professional, but not scary.
Because it's simple. Simple English sounds confident.
Can I say, I work in marketing?
Yes, that's very common.
Let me try a full one.
Go ahead.
Hello, I'm Daniel. I'm from Brazil, and I work in marketing.
That's excellent.
I didn't feel stressed saying that.
That's because you're not memorizing long sentences. You're using building blocks. Now, let's imagine a relaxed situation.
Like a cafe or a friend's party.
Exactly.
Okay,
Here, your introduction can be very light.
so I don't need formal words.
Right. You can say, hey, I'm Daniel.
That sounds friendly.
You can even add something small like, I'm new here.
Oh, I like that.
Hey, I'm Mia. I'm new here.
That invites conversation. Mia, what if my mind goes blank?
That happens to everyone.
Even native speakers?
Yes. The difference is they don't panic.
So what should I do?
Just pause, smile, and say something simple again.
Like my name.
Exactly. Your name is your anchor. After you introduce yourself, it's polite to ask the other person.
Right. I shouldn't just talk about myself.
You can ask, and you? What about you?
That's very easy.
Yes, short questions are powerful.
Mia, can I say something honest?
Of course.
When I speak English, I worry people will judge me.
That feeling is very human.
Sometimes I feel embarrassed.
Let me tell you something important.
Okay.
People don't judge your English. They listen to your effort.
That's comforting.
Confidence doesn't come from perfect grammar. It comes from clarity.
What if I need to leave after introducing myself?
You can end politely.
How?
You can say, "It was nice meeting you."
That sounds respectful.
Or, "Hope to see you again."
Very friendly.
Let's put everything together.
Okay.
Imagine this. Hi, I'm Mia. I'm from Canada, and I work as a teacher. Nice to meet you.
And I reply, Hi, Mia. I'm Daniel. I'm from Brazil. Nice to meet you too.
Perfect.
I feel more relaxed now.
That's the goal.
Introducing myself doesn't feel scary anymore.
Because you now have simple tools.
And I don't need to sound like a textbook.
Exactly. You just need to sound like yourself.
Mia, I think this will really help many people.
I hope so. Introductions are the door to every conversation.
If you can open that door, everything becomes easier.
To everyone listening, practice your introduction today.
Say it out loud. Say it in front of a mirror.
And remember, speaking English is not about being perfect.
It's about being understood.
Thank you so much for learning with us today.
If you enjoyed this, please like the video and subscribe to the English Learning channel.
We're so happy you're here.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone.